right, my friends, I'm going to do a Ring alarm unboxing. This is a special edition that came through Amazon. So we were able to get this set along with extra door sensors and an extra motion detector, which you don't need glass break sensors because it turns every Echo Show, Echo Dot, or anything else into a glass break sensor and a sound sensor in every room. And it came with an Echo Dot. You guys, this is one of the best deals I've ever seen. So this Echo's already set up for my account, and I'm going to unbox each one of these things and show them to you. So first, let's look in the Ring. So I'm going to get the main box and open it right now. This is the Ring alarm box. And just as an FYI, thank you for tuning into Nerd Chic. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. We love new subscribers. Okay, this guy is really in there. Let's see if I can get it loose. There we go. Oh, this got little pull tabs. I could have done that with a pull tab rather than scissors. I see that now. Okay. Here we go. There we go. So awesome. Wow. Okay. So here is the Ring base. Wow. Of course, right off the top, there it is. I'm not going to show any of the information on it. There it is. USB and Ethernet connectivity. The DC port is right there in case you guys ever need to see it. When you're doing pairing, it's here, and the reset's there. Shows it's power and Wi-Fi. Really nice. Under this is, of course, your Ring guide. Let me get this open. Protected by Ring. Auto cert. And what's great about this audio video surveillance service is you can add a Ring doorbell into it, which we'll do later. And all of our video we already have hooks to it. Our Alexa stuff hooks into it. And it's $10 a month. The cheapest service out there, more secure than other ones. I'll share some of the other ones later. And this is the Ring alarm. I like Ring. This is your setup instructions is in there. I won't make you guys have to go through that. It's all in this welcome kit. Then you've got the pad, so your access code and your mode. That's awesome. Wow. Oh, wow. Mounts to your, love it. You've got one motion sensor in here, put in one of your main areas of your home. You've got, that's the power unit. Oh no. Wow. It's extender. It's awesome. Part of this extender, you've got one door window unit. Here's the power cords inside of here. There's one power cord. Here's the other unit's power cord. Nice. It's the kind, of course, you screw in and it stays in. Here's your motion detector kit. So that's your motion detector install kit. Let's open it up and look and see what's in there, because I'm going to be installing it shortly. Inside this part are screws and anchors, the sticky tabs, mounting tape, anchors, mounting screws, and bracket. And then let's see what's in this one. This is the keypad installer. There's a contact sensor installer. Wow, these are a little hard to get out of here. Got it. One way or another, we'll get it out. So the keypad installer, let's see what's in here. It's really just that. So screws and an anchor. And then what's inside of the contact sensor installer. Contact sensor. Oh, here's the other part. I wondered if that was in there. So the other part of the contact sensor is here. For like your doors, it's got the mounting bracket, magnet, mounting spacer, mounting tape, anchors, and mounting screws. Contact sensor. So doors and windows, right? Now, let's Move this over. I'm going to open up. It's an extra part of the kit we got here, which is more contact sensors. Very easy. Scan the QR code in the app, pull the battery tab, and boom, install in the door window, and then you've got it. It's a 2-pack of contact sensors. This is on top of the ones I already had. It comes as an add-on, and the thing with this is it was a Black Friday deal. So guys, it was just amazing, and really, it was on Cyber Monday was when it went cheapest, but it started Black Friday. You get really cheap deals. It's the least expensive kit that I've ever found both to buy, and you got instructions in there. There's a QR code, and here's the sensors. And it looks like under here's the contact pad and installers, just like the other one. Set that to the side. And then we got another one. We got a lot of these. It's gonna take me a while to install all this stuff. You can always add on later. It's just hit the QR code, drop it in the app, pull it into the system. Much easier than some of these other companies where you got to call and have an expert come in and do it. If you need help, you can call somebody and get help right on spot. You've got your install papers, just like that's in the other box. There's the motion sensor, and then under it, there's all the mounting bracket and everything else like the other one. And last but not least, you guys, I'm sure, want to see an unboxing for the brand new Echo Dot. This one came included, so I did not pay more, you guys. I paid the price of the kit, and I got this with it. It was included. And the great thing is wherever this is, you know, it is used as a part of the system. So this is great. I'm going to be putting it in my room, and then I'll use it as the glass break sensor and everything else. Look at that. I'll do a setup video of this later. It's the brand new Echo Dot. Thing is a speaker all the way around it. And inside that box is the paperwork and power cord down at the bottom. You guys, that is an incredible deal. I'm going to back the camera off and just show you all that I got here. And that all cost around $139. That's incredible. All right, that's my unboxing for the Ring alarm kit. You guys, best solution out there, $10 a month to do it. It's amazing. Go get it. Boom.